Looking for how to fix Instagram not open problem today. Instagram crash problem. Instagram keeps stopping problem. Instagram bug problem. In this video I show you how to fix Instagram not open problem today. Instagram keeps stopping, Instagram crashing. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, uninstall Instagram latest version. Now go to Google Chrome. Now search for Instagram older version. Click on first link. Now download any install older version. Wait for completing the download process. Now install older version in Instagram app. Now open in Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram not open problem today. Instagram crash problem, Instagram keep stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Thomas Guide.